Official prototypes of the iPhone 11, all have long been accustomed to, that every year in the new iPhone appears hundreds, if not thousands of leaks. And in the case of each new iPhone, all key features and design of the novelty became known long before the presentation. In 2019, insiders decided to kill the intrigue as soon as possible. In early January, a reputable on-leaks insider published images of two official prototypes of the iPhone 11. An insider source managed to obtain CAD drawings of the prototypes, which revealed the main innovations of the smartphone. The first prototype has the usual body shape for the latest iPhone models, a noticeably reduced upper display frame and a triple camera. The system of 3 chambers is located in a triangle on a fairly large square platform protruding from the housing. However, it is easier to see once what is at stake. This design of the iPhone 11 didn't really like the Apple fans much. However, polls closer to the end of January showed that the appearance of the smartphone is very attractive and original, in the spirit of Apple. That's not the overwhelming majority of users who think so, but there's no blatant negative to such a design. The second prototype of the iPhone 11 has an identical body shape, still a smaller upper frame of the display and also a triple camera, but located vertically in the middle of the back surface of the body. The appearance of this prototype iPhone 11 also did not receive a single endorsement from Apple fans. The design of the prototype was called similar to Android smartphones, and the device itself was jokingly called the Cyclops.